Hello friends, welcome back to my channel and I am Archana. Today's topic is factors and multiples. Friends, जैसा कि आप जानते हैं factors और multiple it is a kind of abstract concept for kids. Today's activity is based on factors and they can see the factors of different numbers and compare them, and they can also learn the properties of factors through this. So it gives a kind of visualization and concept clarity and understanding. So after doing this activity, hopefully they will be able to understand the properties related to factors. I hope you like this activity. अगर आपको वीडियो पसंद आया, please like, share and subscribe, and please give your valuable comment in the comment section. If you are a student, please do this activity. If you are a parent or teacher, please make your children do this activity. I hope you like this activity. Thank you very much for watching.
For this activity, you need a paper like this, a square line paper. ऐसी वाली नोटबुक आपके पास होगी ही, ओके नहीं है तो आप ऐसा ड्रॉ कर सकते हो स्क्वायर्स. And this you have to make a lines, horizontal line like this, and write the numbers 1, 2, 3 in one box, one number. Okay. Similarly, you have to draw a vertical line, and you have to write the numbers from 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on in one box, one number. Okay, now this is ready. That's it. You only need these things for this activity. Now take a sketch pen of your choice. Number 1. Now recall 1 appears in which table? It comes in the table of 1. So write here 1. Okay, let's go to the next number. Number is 2. 2 comes in the table of 1 and 2. Okay, these are the factors of 2. Now I list the factors of 3. Okay, so it comes in table of 1 and 3. Look at 4. 4 comes in the table of 1, 2 and 4, isn't it? Come to 5. Let us list the factors of 5. It is 1 and 5. Look at the factors of 6. It is on number 1, 2 and 3 and finally 6. Look at the number 7. It comes in the table of 1 and 7. Can you see that? These boxes you can see, this is 7th box, so it is like that. 8 comes in the table of 1, 2. Does it come in table of 3? No. So we will not draw here. 4, yes. So we write 4 here. Then which table it comes? 5, no. 6, no. 7, no. 8, right? Next we go to 9. Comes in the table of 1, 2, no. 3, yes. 3 is a 9, right? And finally in the table of 9. Similarly for 10, 1, 2, 3, no. 4, no. 5, yes. 6, 7, 8, no. 9 also no, and 10. Now we are listing the factors of 11. 11 comes in the table of 1 and 11. Now 12 comes in the table of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, no. 6, yes. 7, no. 8, 9, 10, no. 11, no. 12. It comes in the table of 12. Can you see this? Yes. Then let's check for 13. It's 1 and 13. There is no other table numbers in which table of there is no other table in which 13 comes, right? Now 14. This comes in table of 1, yes. 2, yes. And directly you get 3, no. 4, no. 5, no. 6, no. 7. 2, 7 are 14. So 7, yes. 8, no. And directly it will come in the table of 14. Okay children. 15, 1, 2, no. 3, yes. 4, 5, 5, yes. 6, no. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So children, if you want, you can extend these numbers here. You can do this, keep on going till 20. Okay, I'm just showing you till 15. You can go on for till 20. All right. We have listed all the factors of all the number from 1 to 15. And you can see from this, you can make out that 1 is a factor of every number. See? 2 is the factor of every alternate numbers. Can you see? 2, 4, 6, and they are even number, right? Likewise, you can see so many facts about these factors here. Okay. Now here I'll show you how to find out the common factors of any two given numbers. Let's shade this, the factors of say 4. Okay, I'm shading this. Factors of 4 are this: 1, 2, and 4. Right? And let me find out the common factors of 4 and say 12. Alright, so I'm taking 12 now and I'm shading again. These are the factors of 12. Okay, I have shaded all the factors, okay, of 4 and 12. Common means something which is present in both. Okay, look at this standing tower and look at this standing tower. Now check which numbers are common, means present in both. 1 is present here, here also. 2 here, here also. 4 here and here also. What about 6? 6 is not present here. Not even 12 is present here. That means 1, 2, 4. 1, 2, 4 are the common factors of 4 and 12. Common factors of 4 and 12. Right? What are they? 1, 2, and 4. Now children, look, out of these 3 numbers, which is the greatest one? Greatest one is 4. So, or the highest one is 4. Which is the highest one? 4. So, SCF, highest common factor of 4 and 12 is 4. You can see from this. Okay. 4 is present in common factor of both the numbers and it is highest. So, SCF of 4 and 12 is 4. Similarly, you can repeat this activity with different numbers and check their SCF. Here, looking at the number of factors of a given number, we can also identify the prime numbers. Prime numbers are those numbers which have exactly 2 factors. And the numbers which are not prime numbers, they are called composite numbers, meaning they have more than 2 factors. You can identify all the numbers which are having only 2 factors. So I'm doing that with the blue color. So you can see these are the numbers which have exactly 2 factors and they are prime numbers. You can observe that here 1 has only 1 factor, so it is neither prime nor composite. So friends, hope you have understood this activity and you will definitely try this. Thank you for watching.